Welcome to Kuber Kushagra AI. We are actively developing an AI engine to help with stock market trading decisions. Please note that stock market is inherently volatile and can result in abrupt losses. Hence, please do your own research before following our video. This video is for education purposes only, where we are trying to demonstrate that how stock market we can do well in the stock market using AI. So let's dive right in. One of the stock idea for buy for today, which is Friday, 26th of April, is Dabur. And Dabur recently had a slump in last month or so, but now it has slowly started rising. If you see the Bollinger Bands, it is still below, but then it has hit its lower resistance level and has started to move up. Additionally, if you see the news as well, a few of the stockbroking firms are also picking Dabur, and it may rise up in the near term. If you see the overall history, the stock has done well over long term and has been relatively very stable, and that is reflected in the beta ratio. So Dabur right now is trading at around 506 rupees, and the target price would be 562. But to hit these levels, I think it will take maybe a month or so, or maybe even more. So this is the stock pick for today. Let's have a look at some of our older stock ideas as well. So India Mart, which we had shared in March, almost a month and a half ago, that has risen by 4.5%, and we should keep holding on to it. Timken has actually risen by 10% since the stock idea was shared almost a month ago. And if you see the Bollinger Bands, it is very close to the upper Bollinger Band. So keep holding on to this, but then if it hits the upper Bollinger Band and then starts to decline, that would be a time to sell this stock. Craftsman has also seen a rise of 5.22%, and this was an idea we shared in the beginning of April. So again, it has quite a way to go upside. So keep holding on to this one. Devyani Constructions has risen by 2.5%, but then the market sentiment on this is mixed. So if you see, it has risen, but then it is going a little flatter towards the tail end of it. So let's keep an eye on it and see what happens. PVR has actually slipped by a percent more. So it has crossed the lower Bollinger Band, but then it is heading downwards. So if it slips by 1% more, it would be time to cut our losses there. And GlaxoSmithKline, an idea that we shared last week, or rather earlier this week, has risen by almost 6% since the idea was shared. And yeah, so that's it from us for today. Again, I want to emphasize that do your own research before taking the decisions, and we'll keep you posted on how these recommendations go. Thank you.